Once I've done that, then my system should be complete. This is what it's about, guys. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new episode from Salvage Nations. If you're new here at Salvage Nations, what we do, we get damaged cars like this, put them back onto the road and bring them back to life by putting in hard work, hard graft. And in today's episode, guys, I've got a 2012 BMW E88 convertible and the airbags are gone on it. I'll be putting that dashboard into that car. Now, if you didn't see the last episode where I changed all of my suspension and got my car driving, it was such a lovely, lovely day, and it was a perfect time to get the car up and running, put the top down, go enjoy it. Check out my last video where you'll see all of that stuff. I'll put the link up above. But for today, I need to get my dashboard and my seat belts and my pretensioners and all the airbag stuff installed into my car, turn that airbag light off. Let's get straight into today's video. So I had to start by removing all the trim pieces on the dashboard so that I can gain access to the sleeper screws which actually hold the dashboard in place. Once you get all the screws out, it's a straightforward task of just unclipping the glove box and unclipping all of the inside panels and just continue to remove all the screws. After I removed all of the screws, as you can see, I was pointing out where all the hidden screws were on the E88, but you can see the dashboard is very loose and it's almost ready to come out. There were just two last sleeper bolts in the bottom that I had to access by removing the center console. After this, it was well on the way to coming out. And there we have it, guys. Simply removing some screws and taking your time, and the dashboard is out and it leaves just a bare metal frame. Take a look at that. So here we have my new dashboard, and if you look underneath, it's got the airbag connected already. So let's get this into the car. Now, there was a really tricky sensor. It's a demisting sensor right at the back, and I really had to reach in to get that done. After that, it was a matter of just fitting it into place and replacing all the screws and bolts that I removed to take the dashboard out. Before refitting the glove, we had to make sure that we connected all the plug sockets for the lights and also the passenger airbag switch. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Right guys, so it's actually the next day here and it got super late on me yesterday, so I had to stop filming and I just left it. If you have a look here, I've just left a few bits on the dashboard that I still need to complete. But also today what I need to complete is I need to put in my seatbelt pretensioners and also my battery Pyrofuse that I've got here. All of this was part of the airbag kit that I got for this car, so I need to continue. So the work never stops, guys. So we're going to continue that in this episode. Also, to install these pretensioners, I need to take the seat out. And to take the seats out, I'll have to remove all of the screws and stuff. So that's a perfect opportunity to give this car a nice deep clean. I've got my girlfriend with me today, so she'll be helping me to just give this car a nice deep clean. I want to show you something. Now, these little gas canisters, I've found about 100 of these so far into the car. So whoever had this car before was a proper party animal. To be fair, I don't know what they used it for, but it's just filthy. There's a lot of gunk, there's a lot of just filth. So if you look here, guys, I've gone ahead and installed the driver's side airbag. So everything on that side of things is completely fine. I'm gonna continue today to reassemble the interior, put in the seatbelt pretensioners, put on my Pyrofuse, and then hopefully that should be all we need to do for the airbags. So let's crack on. So there you have it, guys. The dashboard is completely installed. Got my new driver airbag completely installed. Everything's back together. So guys, I've just tried to start the car and it's dead. I don't know why the battery keeps dying, but the battery keeps dying. So luckily I've got my little jump pack. Let's see if we can jump start the car and move it into my bay, and then we can start to clean it and get the seats out so I can change my pretensioners. Right, so guys, this is the seatbelt pretensioner. This is what causes the seatbelt to lock in when you're in an accident. And without changing this, seatbelt light won't go off. So we need to change this on both seats, get the seats back installed. So guys, this is the replacement part. That's the broken part. Look at the difference. You can see once it goes off, it completely crunches down. Look at this one, it's still ready to go. Put this one on, get the seat back in. So now that I've got both seats out of the car, it's the perfect time to give the interior a nice deep clean. It was filthy. I'm gonna call my girlfriend, we're gonna get the Hoover in, we're gonna vacuum it all out, and I've got a secret weapon up my sleeve for dealing with such interiors. It's non-conventional, but trust me, it gets the job done. And the secret is Vanish carpet cleaner. Check it out. Guys, this stuff does wonders. Vanish carpet cleaner. And I'll be using this on the complete interior of the car. It gets rid of any stains, but most importantly, it gets rid of all smells. So check it out. Have a look at that, guys. So I've gone ahead, like I said, completely installed my dashboard. I've installed all my seatbelt pretensioners, and I've given the interior of the car a nice deep clean. Now she's starting to look 10 times better. Next thing I need to do, reinstall my front seats, and then the final part of the job is I'm going to be installing my Pyrofuse onto the battery, and then guys, that's it for the airbag part of this build. So let's crack on with that, and I want you guys to let me know what you think in the comments down below. And then if any of you guys ever used Vanish carpet cleaner before, let me know where you've used it and how you find it. Right, let's continue with the video. So guys, now that I've done my dashboard, I've done my pretensioners, I've done everything on the interior of the car, the last piece to the puzzle when you've got a BMW E series where the airbags have gone off is you've got to come to the boot, and on the battery, there's a battery Pyrofuse. I need to change that. Have a look. This is what it looks like. So that's my existing one, and when the car got delivered, it wasn't starting because this is the Pyrofuse. These two wires are hooked up to the airbag module, and once the airbags blow off, this gives the charge, this blows off, and it cuts the power to the car by ejecting that little plug there. Here's my used one that I purchased. This came as part of my airbag kit, so I'm now gonna just disconnect these two wires, unplug some cables, and then it's just straightforward swap from this to that. Once I've done that, then my system should be complete, and I can go ahead and turn off the airbag light with a diagnostic tool. So let's crack on with that. Here at Salvage Nations, we do it right. We do the job and we do it right. I know it's not 100% finished, but this car has come a very long way in such a short period of time. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Guys, I've completed my dashboard, my airbags, my pretensioners. I've done a massive deep clean, and now it's time to go give this a proper drive. Let's go. This is what it's about, guys. Come on. Everything feels great. The traction is great. The car is driving amazing. The only thing I would say is I think I need to change the brakes. If anyone knows some decent brake pads for a BMW 1 Series, let me know in the comments down below. And now that this car is almost ready, guys, I'm gonna start to think of some mods. If you guys can think of some mods, let me know in the comments below. What kind of mods would you do to this car? But guys, top is down. It's not the hottest day in London today, but it's not cold. And it feels great. What can I say? Hard work pays off. When you put in the graft and you put in the hard work, there's no better feeling than actually having the fruits of your labor being realized. Woo! Woo-hoo! Guys, that car drives so good. But if you can recommend any brake pads, decent ones, for this model of a car, let me know in the comments below, because I'm looking for some brake pads. I can feel it feels a bit spongy. The brakes are all bled, but it still feels a bit spongy, and I've checked my brake pads and brake pads are a bit low. So if anyone's got any recommendations for brake pads, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you think of the car, let me know what you think of the build, and let me know what mods I should do to this car, guys, because we're gonna be modding this car soon, and then hopefully I'll move it on, and then we do it again, guys. That's what we do at Salvage Nation. So if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. If you've recently subscribed to my channel, I thank you so much for subscribing. And for the OG subscribers, stay tuned. You know what to expect from Salvage Nation. So there you have it, guys. It's a little bit of hard work, a little bit of graft. This car has gone from 0 to hero in about a week. So in the next episode, we're gonna be taking care of the paint. We're going to be taking care of just more of the aesthetics, and then after the car is back to normal, we'll be starting with some mods. So for now, we've got everything done that we need to get done. I'm happy. You let me know what you think in the comments below. If you're watching this and you're not subscribed, guys, make sure you press the subscribe button. And if you like the content, make sure you press the like button down below. If you're not already following me on Instagram, guys, follow me on @salvage_nation on Instagram to get inside scoop of everything that I'm doing, and I'll catch you in the next video. And remember, guys, you've got to keep it moving.